Greetings, Earthling! I am Zorg, from the planet Zorg.
And I am also Zorg, from the very same planet Zorg. No relation. All hail Zorg.
All hail Zorg. Our superior observations have revealed that you are learning radical openness. Impressive for an Earthling. Truly, your intelligence is evolving. Slowly.
Yes, but there's hope for you yet. On Zorg, we've mastered radical openness by using something special. The loving kindness meditation. It's like rocket fuel for your calm signal.
Meditation is like giving your brain a chill-out zone, but you stay awake. And the loving kindness meditation, it's like beaming warm, happy wishes to yourself and others, like wrapping everyone in a big, invisible Zorg hug.
Or a Zorg hug with extra tentacles. It's the best kind of hug.
Here's why it's awesome. It makes you feel happy and calm inside. It teaches you to be kind to yourself, even when you're having a bad day. And it helps you think kindly about others, even Earthlings you find perplexing.
Plus, it makes your heart feel bigger, almost as big as Zorg's triple moons. Sending kind wishes brings you closer to others, even if they're from different galaxies. Imagine if everyone did this. Earth might actually be as awesome as Zorg.
All hail Zorg!
All hail Zorg.
Steps of the loving kindness meditation. Step 1, get comfy. Find a cozy spot to sit or lie down. Maybe not on a Zorgian spiked cushion. It's an acquired taste. Close your eyes or stare softly at the floor, like you're deep in Zorg thoughts. Take a few big balloon-filling breaths. Inhale, exhale, but don't float away.
Step 2. Start with yourself. Put your hand on your heart, or if you're feeling fancy, give yourself a big Zorg hug. Now repeat these words to yourself, either in your mind or out loud, but maybe not during math class. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I feel safe. May I live with ease. Imagine these wishes as a warm glow, like the Zorg sun lighting up your whole body from your toes to your head. You're practically glowing.
Step 3. Send kindness to someone you love. Think of someone who makes you smile, like a family member, a friend, or your favorite droid. Picture them beaming with joy. Now say, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you feel safe. May you live with ease. Imagine sending them a glowing kindness ball. It's brighter than a Zorgian disco ball and just as awesome.
Step 4. Send kindness to someone you don't know well. Think of someone you've seen but don't know much about, like that kid in your class who always has pudding. Picture them in your mind and say the same wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you feel safe. May you live with ease. Zap them with your kindness glow. Who knows? Maybe they'll share their pudding one day.
Step 5. Send kindness to someone you find difficult. This one's tricky, but super important. Think of someone who annoyed you. Maybe that person who cuts in line or calls you a Zorg noob. Picture them calmly, no Zorg yelling, okay? And say the same wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you feel safe. May you live with ease. Remember, you're not saying their behavior is okay. You're just wishing them peace so you can feel calmer. Plus, it's kind of like being the bigger Zorg.
Step 6. Send kindness to the whole world. Imagine your glowing kindness lights spreading across Earth and maybe even into space. Imagine it reaching everyone, kids, animals, plants, and even the odd Zorgian pigeons. Say, may everyone be happy. May everyone be healthy. May everyone feel safe. May everyone live with ease. The galaxy is practically sparkling now.
Congratulations, Earthling! You've officially mastered the Zorg way of activating your calm signal. Another radical openness skill unlocked.
All hail Zorg!